How are you, players? Let's discuss the RG557, Anbernic's first handheld of 2025. Following an extremely busy 2024, in which Anbernic introduced a new product almost every month, the business started this year more slowly. However, it appears that they have made the decision to create a big impression with the release of the RG557 and its amazing gaming reveal clip. The RG557's display, a 5.48-inch AMOLED panel with a sharp 1920 by 1080 resolution, is the first notable feature. The RG556, which received accolades for its vibrant colors, rich contrast, and superb touch sensitivity, most likely featured this same screen. Games look amazing on this screen, based on what we've seen in the teaser. The graphics are crisp and powerful, whether they are Android games or classics that have been reproduced. It's nice to see games like Kirby and the Rainbow Curse shine on such a vibrant and bright panel, especially for those who recall how disappointing the Wii U's gamepad display was. The RG557 performs noticeably better than its predecessor. Even though the precise chipset specifications are yet unknown, the difference in emulation capability is already apparent. Higher-end emulation was difficult for the RG556, which was frequently restricted to 1x resolution for devices like the PS2. However, in a few PS2 titles, the RG557 is achieving 2x and even 3x resolution. While Castlevania exhibits fluid gameplay at 4x during battle sequences, Shadow of the Colossus operates at 3x. Given how demanding PS2 and GameCube games can be, that kind of performance boost is significant to retro gamers. Other noteworthy emulation highlights include God of War, Ghost of Sparta on the PSP at an astounding 8x, Asphalt Injection at 2x on the Vita, and Borderlands 2 on the PS Vita running well. To put that game in perspective, the RG556 could only manage it at 3x, thus a significant power boost is required. With Tomb Raider and Hitman 2 running at 2x, the GameCube emulation appears to be reliable as well. Despite some frame lag, Hitman 2 is still a good performance all around. NBA 2K and Muramasa, The Demon Blade, a stunning side-scrolling action role-playing game that deserves more love, appear fluid and bright, suggesting that Wii emulation is equally promising. The RG557 and the RG556 are fairly similar in terms of design. The basic appearance, button arrangement, ports, and body all essentially stay the same. That's not necessarily a bad thing, because the RG556 felt ergonomic and small. The analog sticks are where the only true uncertainty exists. Fortunately, they seem taller than the ones found in the RG556, as the Joy-Con-style sticks were infamous for their limited travel and poor cardinal direction sensing. It's difficult to tell from the trailer, though, if they equal the superb sticks of the RG406H, which were higher, smoother, and far more accurate. The RG557's tactile control would be greatly improved if it adopted those sticks. In conclusion, the RG557 appears to be a significant improvement over the RG556, particularly in terms of performance and display quality. The internal power boost and ongoing use of that gorgeous AMOLED screen might make this a must-have gadget for both Android and vintage gamers, even though it still has the same physical shape and familiar style. For now, it's safe to say that Anbernic is back in 2025 with a bang, but we'll have to wait a little while longer for a complete specification sheet and hands-on reviews. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.